So guys, how to make circular audio visualizer in Shotcut? It's really simple. Let me show you the preview. We have our audio on the timeline. Now go to filters, or from up here select the filters, then click on this plus icon, search for audio waveform visualizer. Now place it properly at the middle, scale it, make sure that you cover the full width, then click on this plus icon again, search for 360, select the one with stereo graphic. Now select the waveform filter again, increase the thickness, check fill the area under waveform. Then for multiple colors, click on this up arrow. Suppose we want to use 5 colors. Then click on each of the points and select your color. Also, if you want to separate the left and right channel, for that uncheck this box. Now we have 2 waveforms. Let's check it again and we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can use circular audio visualizer in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.